Hello my dear designer bag lovers. In this video I'd like to share with you my YSL bag collection. I will also share with you the bags I have sold and the reason for selling them at the end of this video.
I'm going to start from the smallest bag. It's this red clutch, which I bought long time ago. I love it. I used it so many times. I have some marking here. And this bag is in pebbled leather, so it's very scratch resistant. It has a gold chain, crossbody chain, which is detachable, and you can use it as a clutch. It's a good size clutch. You can put your phone, your card, a little cash, and a car key and a lipstick in it. It's a beautiful bag, and I love it. This is the only red bag I have in my collection.
I found a very similar clutch on YSL website for $1,450.
And next one is this beautiful croc embossed clutch, which again comes with detachable chain. I have used this bag so many times. I wore it to many events. You can detach the chain and use it as a clutch. It's a beautiful bag for evening.
I was able to find a very similar bag on the YSL website. It's with plain leather for $2,400.
Next bag is this beautiful, like a cream color with silver hardware clutch. I bought this a couple of years ago, I think during COVID, and I still have not used it. We haven't been to any big events or like anything like a wedding. So this one unfortunately doesn't have a chain, so you can only use it as a clutch.
Found the same clutch in different color for $1,290 on YSL website.
Next I have, actually let's do this one first. I have my YSL camera bag. I love this bag. I have used it so many times. It comes with adjustable strap. It has a pocket inside, and this is the new version, so it has a pocket outside. You can put your phone in it. Sorry, it's a mess in there. I use this bag so much. And then it has a tassel, which you can remove it. It moves a lot, so some people don't like it and they just take it off.
I believe the Lou camera bag has got the largest price increase in the last couple of years. Right now it is $1,790 on YSL website.
Next we have the small Lulu bag. I adore this bag. It is so beautiful. You can dress it up or down because of the size and the gold chain. So you can wear this crossbody or on your shoulder. This bag is beautiful. It's very spacious. The only thing, it doesn't have a back pocket
for your phone. The current pricing of the small Lulu bag is $2,950. I remember I paid under $2,000 for my bag about a couple of years ago.
Next, I have the Lulu bag in medium. This one is with silver hardware. This is a beautiful bag. You can wear it on your shoulder or crossbody. The only problem is a little too heavy, and the magnet is so strong. So it's a workout to get it open, but it's very spacious. As you can see, I keep my bags in their dust bags, so they're all in good, like excellent condition, even though I use them all the time.
The current pricing on medium-sized Lulu bag is $3,200, and I think I paid a couple of $100 less than the current pricing.
Okay, and the last one is the Lulu bag in medium with black hardware. I love this bag. It's very elegant because of the black hardware. This was a Christmas gift and I still have not used it. As you can see, it still has the tag. The price was $3,300 and this is from a couple of months ago, 2-3 months ago. So I don't know if they've had a price increase or not. I'll figure that out and I will have it on the screen at the end of the video. Same thing, the magnet is very strong, but this bag is very spacious and you have the inside pocket zipper and then you have a zipper in the back right here. The same thing, no outside pocket, so if you want to reach for your phone, you either have to have your phone in your hand, in your pocket, or in the bag, and then keep opening and closing this very strong magnet to get your phone.
As you can see, the price of the medium-sized Lulu bag with black hardware is still $3,300 on the YSL website, so there has not been a price increase in the last few months.
If you ask me which bag is my favorite, this is my favorite bag from my YSL collection. The reason is I can wear this every day. I can dress it up or down, and it's very comfortable and it's black on black, so it doesn't attract attention. It's very elegant, and then a lot of stuff fits in it. Like, it looks small, but it's very spacious and it has the back pocket. So if I can only keep one from this collection, it would be this beautiful bag.
The first bag I sold is this Lou camera bag, and the reason is I had the exact same bag with different color hardware, and I did not need two camera bags. Next is this beautiful hobo bag. It was too big and not the right color for me. Next is the small Lulu bag in cream color, and the reason I sold it, I have a Louis Vuitton bag in exact same color, and I've been trying to downsize my collection. Next is the small Lulu bag with black hardware. To be honest with you, I don't know why I sold this bag. I still regret selling it. And the last one was a toy Lulu. The reason for selling it was too small and it wasn't the right color for me. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you like this type of videos. Thank you for watching.